To fully appreciate something, I think it's important to understand how much work goes into it. And the chefs at Hotel Icon are going to show me just that.
Hi, I'm Taylor. Nice to meet you. I'm here at Hotel Icon now with Chef Paul, where he's going to teach me how to make dim sum. And I'm really excited to learn because it looks like a very difficult, delicate process. How long have you been a chef for?
25年啦。
And why did you want to become a chef?
You guys are yeah.
中意煮嘢食啊。
He loves to cook.
Okay, he likes to cook, not talk. So we got right to it. First up, we need to make the rice noodle dough. To do this, you need to mix glutinous rice flour with steaming hot water until you get the perfect texture.
It's actually harder, way harder than it looks. So thick. Okay, I think I'm done.
First, we're making mushroom truffle dumplings. Make your dough into a snake, chop it, and roll it out like a tiny pizza. It's really not as easy as it looks. But I kept trying and it got a little bit easier. Then take your wrap, add a bit of filling to the center, fold it and press it along the edges super gently. Steam it for about 1 minute.
Oh, it looks good. I can't even tell which one's mine. I'm gonna go for this. Oh, they're so delicate. Oh my god, I'm sorry. How is it?
好嘅，呢個。
Some of the mushrooms are softer, some are more firm. Is there truffle in that?
Yeah.
I can taste a tiny hint of truffle.
係啊，
Yeah.
有
So
truffle。
good. Just a light amount. It's really good. Wow. It's so sticky. Cheers.
Cheers。
Oh my god.
Oh, I can smell it too.
That's like the best dim sum I've ever had. So good. It tastes like my favorite dish. It's like a steamed grouper with spring onion and soy sauce and ginger with the nice like rice wrapping, and it holds it all together so you get all the flavors in one bite. It's really good. I'm gonna go for one more.
食多件啦。
In your opinion, what makes the best dim sum?
用心去做嘅點心。
Use your heart.
Use your heart.
It's like basically poking your heart.
Poking your heart. Aww.
點心啊，都係細細件，用心去包嘅做啊嘛。
It is like a heart, small and delicate, easy to break. You have to be careful. Thank you for teaching me today. I had fun. We can do like a 2,
咩啊？
3, 4, 5. Bring it in.
Okay.
All right.